Hi everyone, myself Kumar. Today I am introducing our topic e-commerce shopping portal, and this is our team members Hindu Sikatin, Kavesiar, Kumar Mukwa, and Joel MP, and Sneha TS. Okay, in the introduction part, e-commerce refers to the buy and sell the product as a good product that has been selling an online process, and the e-commerce is the simply to buying and the selling the product on service online service. This is this platform is useful for customers can select the items and the compare the prices and the complete their purchasing details only. And on one major advantage is offering the 24 into 7 the shopping has been experiencing, and the customer can shop anytime and anywhere and using the mobile or laptops and etc devices also. And there has been they are moderating the e-commerce portal also option the using contacts, project viewers, and the online tracking, and all the features helping to improve the customer shopping experience use and the experience only. And it is the simple, the fast, and the user friendly. And in today's life, the all are depending on the online shop itself. Then the key parts has been the everyday life has been expressing, and the global reaching the automations is not as a key part of everyday life. In objective part, the first objective is the offering the simple, fast, and the interactive online experience to the customers to the easy to buy a products. And the next we have go through in the system has been enhanced the transactions handling using the apps in the online service and the located at the right item, and the system also maintaining the accurate product and the inventory, so the customer can also easy the collecting the availabilities of all the products and view provided by ourselves itself, and the admin can the complete the control, and the product users can ordering the making to manage our platform to a smooth and efficient in a form of good ways. And next slide will explain by Neha TS.
Hi everyone, I am Sneha TS. Now I am going to explain about the system architecture. The system architecture contains the presentation layer. This is the front end, and front end means what users see and interface with, and it includes the web or mobile app interface, shows products, cards, and categories, and user handles the interaction like input and all. And next we will see application layer. Application layer is a middle layer of business logic layer. It process using request such as applying business rules and ruling product search algorithm, and managing the workflow between the UI and database. And next layer is database layer. Database layer is like a backend layer, and it is where we store the data in that, and user information data like user information, product category, order and payment details, and review and ratings. And next, in next slide we will see the detailed architectural flow. In this, the our app is also used in a web client and mobile client and API gateways. And we also use API gateways, and yeah, it contains card services and checkout services and payment services and interpreter services and order services. For example, in Flipkart and other Amazon, Mintra, we add items to the cart, and it is stored in the cart database. And checkout services like order details and that and all will save in checkout databases. And payment services is where we give a payment gateway. And next, order services like the customer details, user details, and all will be So next will be continued by my teammate Bindu.
Next slide. Key features, customer features, user login, OTP verification, product research, category filtering, product details with reviews, add to cart, secure checkout, multiple payment options, UPI card, real-time order tracking, emails or SMS alerts. Admin features, add, update or delete the products, manage the stock levels, view the customer orders, process returns and refunds, manage the discount codes, view the sales analytics. Next. User workflow, user registrations or login. The first step is user authentication. New users create an account, existing users login. Browse categories. After logging in, the user explores the products. The system displays the product categories, electronics, fashion. User can filter or research for the specific items. View product details. When user selects an item, detailed information is shown. Price, features, reviews and images. This helps the user decide whatever to buy the product. Add products to the cart. If the user likes the product, they add it to the shopping cart. Multiple items can be added. The cart stores the quantity and selected varieties. Proceed to checkout. The user goes to the checkout where they confirm delivery address, payment method, upload coupons. Make payment. The user completes payment using available options such as UPI, credit or debit card, cash on delivery. Receive order confirmation and tracking details. Once payment is successful, the system generates an order confirmation message. Real-time order tracking ID shared as email or SMS. Order dispatch and delivery. Product is packed, dispatched to the delivered to the user. Review or ratings. After delivery, user can give ratings, return the reviews. This helps the improve product quality and user trust. Next will be continued by Kavya.
Hello everyone, I am Kavya. Here I am to explain the different technology used to develop an e-commerce portal. First, the front-end technology are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and sometimes React. These tools are used to design the user interface that customers see on the website, such as product page, button, search bar, and layout. Next, we have the backend technologies like PHP, Node.js, Python, Django, or Java Spring. The backend handles the application logic such as storing user data, managing orders, and connecting with database. For storing the data, we use a database like MySQL or MongoDB. This database keep all information including product, categories, user, order, and payment history. For online payment, the website uses payment gateway such as Stripe, which provides secure transaction. The development tools used are VS Code, GitHub, and Figma, which help in coding version control and designing UI. Finally, the website is hosted on server like AWS, Azure, or local host for deployment. Next slide. Advantages of e-commerce portal. The biggest advantages is that it is available 24 into 7, so customer can shop anytime. It also saves time and efforts because users don't have to travel to physical stores. Another benefit is the wide variety of product available in one place. Customer can easily compare product, read reviews, and make better decision. E-commerce platform offer discount and deals which attract customer with the help of AI. The system also gives personalized recommendation based on customer interest. Additionally, these portal provide fast delivery and easy return policies, making shopping more convenient for business. The platform gives useful analytics to track performance and improve sales. Next slide. This diagram represents the flow of how a customer interact with the e-commerce system. First, the customer browse product using the browser. The browser then sends a request to the server to view product. The server fetches product information from the database and sends it back to the browser, which displays the product list to the customer. Next, when the customer chooses a product, they add it to the cart and the server updates the cart details. During checkout, the customer makes the payment and the server process. The payment will help from the database. Finally, after successful payment, the server shows an order confirmation to the customer. This sequence diagram helps us understand how Different components, browser, server, and database work together to complete an online purchase. Next slide will explain by Prajwal.
Class model. This slide shows a UML class diagram for an online shopping system explaining the main parts. User customer. User has attributes like user ID and username, and customer specialized user adding details such as address and operations like add to cart and purchase. This means every customer is a user with extra shopping details. Cart. The cart class holds item the customer wants to buy and as a method get total to calculate the total cost. It is conceptually linked to a single customer who fills it while shopping. Order and payment. When a customer purchases, the cart turn into a order with attribute like order ID and date and an operation process payment. The payment class as payment ID amount and process payment to handle the actual transfer of money for a special order. Admin. The admin class with field like admin ID, admin name as operations and product and remove product, meaning administrators manage the products or catalogs in the system. Overall, the diagram is saying customers who are users put items in a cart, place an order, pay for it, and admin manage the product and possible other system data. Next slide. Conclusion. This slide explains the overall impact and benefits of the e-commerce portal being described. It states that the portal making buying and selling easier by being fast, secure, and convenient, which increase accessibility and customer satisfaction while automating and many business process. It claims the system is scalable, maintainable, and efficient, so it can support both small and large business overall time. Finally, it says that as technology advances, the portal can add features such as personalized recommendation, AI-based support, and stronger security, moving toward a more user-centered experience. Thank you.
This is the code of our website, and in this is the code of the cart. And here we can add a product to a cart, and also we can delete the product from the cart. And here we also delete from the cart, like using the delete button. And next, this is the login code. The users can log in using given username and all. And next, this is the transaction one. The customer can transact the payment through a APIs using the gateway, payment gateway. And this is the sign up one. Here the customer can sign up. And this is the user interface code of HTML we build, and the supported user CSS code is this one. And the cart user interface CSS code is this one. And now let us see the web application. This is the uh, web application of our e-commerce shopping portal, and this is the opening page. And here is some products like handbags. We can We can add these to the cart like this. And we also had this one also. Here is the total bill will come. Like when we add the items to the cart, it will give some bill like that. And next in scroll downing, we made some categories like handbags, watches, and footwears like that. And next here the customer can join or sign up to uh, uh, our web application or e-commerce shopping portal by entering email of this so when we click the subscribe button, it show thank you for subscribing, and in below it also gives some contacts, social media contacts like icons like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. And this is our simple e-commerce shopping portal. Thank you.